Today I want to talk about user onboarding within Veezoo. So whenever a user joins Veezoo for the first time, we're greeted here with this generic message. So this is like really from a new knowledge graph where we haven't done, or where the data team hasn't done a lot of configuration yet. So when somebody clicks like the support button, they would write them a mail to the Veezoo support. But the data team actually has the possibility to edit this whole section here. So if I jump to Veezoo Studio, you can actually put your own text here in the description field. For instance, in this knowledge graph, you can export all our orders from our online store. The order data is updated every 30 minutes, and that actually orders from our brick and mortar store are not in the data set. Furthermore, you can also add here your own support URL. This could be to a support page, or even something like a mail to datateam@mycompany.com. The same goes here for the documentation URL, where we could actually add a link to a Confluence page or something like that. So if I save this now and I refresh, you can see that the text here is reflected with what we just changed. You can see also if I would click on docs that I will go now on Google. If I would click on support, my mail editor would open. So this is a great way to onboard your users. There are other ways which I'm going to talk about in a further video.